Hello, my name is Rens Fisher, and you're watching my YouTube channel where I talk about options trading, stock investments, and finance in general. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I just lost $1,300, or that's equal about 1,300 US dollars. I lost them just now in one trading day. I lost them intentionally. I lost them because I have been over trading. I'm trading with portfolio margin. I did a lot of over trading, but I did it not today. I did it in the previous. I did a lot of over trading in February and March, just not following very closely what is happening in the markets, and I was bit blindly trading options. I was looking through the bar chart or active options trades. I was scanning for some very juicy premiums, and I was just selling them, selling them, selling them, selling them. All was good until suddenly it was not good, and some of my holdings sunk, and I started to lose money. As I'm trading with a portfolio margin, I have a negative cash balance, and I was facing the very, very big problem, the possible margin calls. In the past, I have experienced a few margin calls. It's nothing nice. It's pretty, it's pretty, it's not a good experience. The broker is just closing your position, selling off some euro stock, and it doesn't feel good. And to avoid any margin calls, I started to buy back my existing options and opening new ones, doubling up, widening the spreads, which soon turned it into a snowball. And if normal months I have like 20, 30 open positions, it soon was I had already 100 and more open positions. I was very much troubled with electromobile stocks, Solo, Li Auto, and with tech stock in general. The stock price dipped, credit spreads were in money. They approached the expiry date. I had to do something, and I was always short with money. I just rolled them, rolled them, rolled them, rolled them. I hoped someday it will break even out, and well, it kind of evens out. So from this, I started in doing these roll forwards in February. Right now, about 20-25% of those bad trades have been gone, and all is good, but still I'm left with the bad trades. Today Nasdaq dropped like 2%, so all the tech shares were dropping, including my electromobile stocks, which I'm holding: Li Auto, Neo, Solo. I have a lot of credit spreads with Solo stock, and Solo stock dropped under $4. It was trading like 380. By the way, I have a separate video, link in the description, for how I invested 5,000 US dollars in Solo stock, how I almost lost that. Make sure to check out that video. Today, right, I decided I will close my bad positions. I will free up my margin, and I will never look back. As I was facing margin call today, I could kind of buy back those contracts and roll forward them, like open them in the future. But I decided, why would I do that with the stocks I don't like? So today I was closing positions on American Airlines, Ford stock, Barrick Gold. Okay, I like this stock, Barrick Gold, but my expiry date was very close, and I had a chance to free up some $100, and I used this chance. Solo stock. With Solo stock, I took the biggest hit today, almost $500. Viatris stock, Waxart. Also, I have a separate video about the Waxart stock, which is actually doing quite good today. But because of it's doing quite good today, I decided to close the positions on Waxart and never look back. As I did lose some money, there is one stock I still believe in. Actually, I believe in them all, but at this moment, I don't believe in them. And as I needed to free up the cash, I bought additional, just a mere 15 shares with Li Auto stock. I will do a separate video about the Li Auto stock very soon, probably this week or next week. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to never miss important update. How do I feel after losing 1,300 US dollars? I feel okay. I feel okay. This is not the first time losing money, and this is definitely not the last time. But I will sleep pretty good. I will sleep pretty good because I will know that I have pretty good positions now in my portfolio. I'm deep in a negative cash balance. It's about minus 25,000 euros. It's almost minus 30,000 US dollars, but I don't have those bad positions. I will keep selling covered fall. I will keep selling covered calls for at least the next 2 3 months, selling just covered calls and really rarely some credit spreads. I still do have some 40 open positions with credit spreads. There are some bad credit spreads, there are some good credit spreads. I will try not to close the losing credit spreads. I will try to roll them forward. Speaking of today, losing the 1,300 US dollars, I just had to do that to open gates, open doors for new happenings. Okay, thanks for watching. This is my brief recap. How do I feel after losing 1,300 US dollars? If you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and see you very soon. Booza!